What's up, gentlemen? So the other day, I'm talking to my buddy Brian, who's really into this girl at work. We're gonna call her Brenda. Well, Brian and Brenda normally talk all the time, but something weird happened the other day. Brian said that he was talking to Brenda, he leaves, and all of a sudden he starts talking to Sheila. Brenda sees him talking to Sheila, and then for the rest of the day, Brenda won't talk to Brian. And Brian's like, yo, I dig her, but does this mean she's not interested? Are you dumb? Of course she likes you, because when a girl gets mad at you for no reason for talking to another girl, this is actually number 11 on the AlphaM list of undisputable, undeniable signs that she wants a piece of that. And the good news for you and Brian is today we're going over all 10 number 1. She drunk dials you. There is a direct correlation between alcohol and phones. Whenever you start drinking, you want to pick up your phone and text or call people that you want to talk to or get freaky with. And so if you get a phone call or a text message from said sassy senorita after say 10 o'clock, chances are she wants a piece of that. She's gonna call you, she's gonna text message, and then the next morning she's gonna see that she called or texted, and she's gonna be like, oh my god, now he knows. 2 is a body language tell. When you're talking to a woman, if she leans in and tilts her head, this means she likes you. Number 3 is all about the feet. Direction in which somebody's feet are pointing tell a lot about how they're feeling about an individual they're actually talking to. If you're talking to somebody, right, senorita, and her feet are pointed towards you, this means she likes you. But if the feet are pointed away from you or towards the door, this means she doesn't. Number 4. She touches you anywhere. Anywhere. I'm talking the wrist. That's not the wrist. This is the wrist. If she touches you anywhere, whether or not it's on your elbow, your wrist, your shoulder, your face. People don't accidentally touch people. And when they do, they let them know oops, sorry, I didn't mean to touch you, right? Think about it. You bump into somebody and grab their boob. Whoa, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean it. And you freak out, right? And the person's like, yo, it's okay, right? You know the difference between an accidental touch and something on purpose. Number 5 is she gives you a compliment on something non-physical about you. Now, she can't say oh my god, I want to bury my face in your chiseled pecs. She can't. So instead, what she's going to do is she's going to usually pick out something that you're wearing. Oh my gosh, I love your sexy watch. Thanks, it's a Vincero, today's video sponsor, and a super sexy watch. The AlphaM Research Institute of trying to get dudes to be more sexy has found that guys that wear watches are 5.7 times sexier and more attractive to women than dudes who don't. Science, but it also makes sense because subliminally, subconsciously, guys that wear watches are viewed as more responsible, more reliable. Wearing a watch makes your forearms look a little bit larger and more muscular because ladies love to see some forearm. Guys, if you are looking for a super sexy watch, you gotta hit that link down below and go check out Vincero. In my opinion, these watches are so badass, so super sexy. This is the chronograph. It's a matte black. It's got a black leather strap. If you dig this matte black one, you are going to love this one. Check it out. How badass is that, right? It's not a chronograph. It's a little bit more simple, a little smaller. If you're somebody who wants to bring the bling, gentlemen, you gotta check out this, right? All gold, yellow gold. You got a black face. It's got that mesh strap. It is just a super cool, beautiful watch. Guys, Vincero is killing it. They make incredibly high quality watches that aren't gonna break the bank. I've gone through and chosen some Vincero watches that I personally think are the most beautiful, the most stylish, and just super cool watches. Guys, link below. There's also a discount code. If you see a watch that you're into, they are affordable, they're not going to break the bank, and you are going to love rocking a timepiece that is this badass and sexy. But make sure to enter the code to grab it at a discount so you can take that spicy senorita for a latte. And she definitely likes you a latte if she starts number 6, which is asking you a lot of personal questions. Do you like cats? Watch the TV show This Is Us. Do you cry? Sports fan, whoa, mama, why are you getting up all in my business and asking me all these freaking personal questions? The answer is simple. She likes you. Number 7 is kind of hard. You have to be very tuned in and dialed into the female psyche to understand or pick this up. But when you're around a woman and she starts acting weird and kind of funny and a bit awkward, and fumbly means that she probably wants you to get fondly. Am I gonna get like a bunch of hate for this video, right? I don't know. I'm having fun though. Number 8, and the 8th way to tell if the person that you're into is into you is eye contact. So with eye contact, there are a few different tells. So if you catch somebody and they're just like locked and loaded and don't break gaze, this is weird and awkward because most people don't do that. But if they are, this means they like you. But if you're sitting there, you look over and you catch her, that's not normal either, which means that she was probably checking you out. And my guess is that if you give it like 2 minutes and you look back over, she's gonna do the same damn thing. Put her out of her misery and go talk to the girl because she obviously is liking you, and she also likes you if she does one of these actions, right? She's all up in her hair's business and touching it. Women's hair is a language all in and of itself. And if a woman starts like doing this and getting it and touching it and this is what is known as preening. She's fixing. She's trying to get all pretty and sassy. If she combines a preen with a giggle or a laugh or anything, this is definitely like crazy interested in you. Because normal people don't act like that, right? She also may, like, when she sees you, suck in her gut or tighten her butt or push it out, like try to make herself look as attractive as possible. If she does and you catch her, this means she likes you. And last, but certainly not least, the 10th sign that she is probably most definitely interested in you, she sends you a sexy selfie. Oh my, dear Brenda, I think you sent me a shirtless selfie by accident. Send, not an accident.